This is how you turn on the ringer on your phone. On older model phones, we have a toggle switch right here. We can switch it or toggle it up and down. We'll see at the top here, ringer is on. Switch it off again. It says silent mode on. Newer phones have a button there instead of a toggle switch. So you just push that button and then it will turn the ringer on and off. And if that toggle switch isn't working for whatever reason, newer phones inside of the settings will have the option to turn off silent mode. If you go into sounds and haptics, there will be a turn off silent mode option here. My older phone doesn't have that. We have the physical switch that usually doesn't break. But you also want to make sure that your ringtone is loud enough. You can have it down to almost 0, so it's pretty much off anyway. So you want to make sure this is as loud as you need it so you actually hear it, and that is the ringtone for the ringer. If you want to create a custom ringtone, then this is the video for you. I show you how to use a popular song to turn into a ringtone for free using just your phone. No computer needed. So check out that video next. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on that one.